Hello and good morning. This is Ravindra live on 2nd November from our home garden, Gokul, the Valley of Flowers. And what a beautiful sight this is! Absolutely beautiful. It's truly majestic, glorious. The beautiful Gokul, our home garden in the city of Jodhpur, Rajasthan. A garden dedicated to my grandfather, Gokul Chandraji Kabra, watching whom from early age of 10 I started picking up gardening, and it's now 54 years of since I truly started picking up gardening. Isn't it glorious, beautiful? The lush green carpet, and Gokul is getting ready for winter 2020-21. We are just at the beginning of winter, so everything is being set up now for winters. The beautiful anthuriums and the lovely bromeliads. A garden nurtured with love, care, and passion. A garden of dreams. Absolutely beautiful. A garden which came into existence 45 years ago, and with every year it continues to improve. The beautiful lush green carpet. A garden with flora and fauna. Around 12 to 15 species of birds come every day to enjoy this beautiful nature in Gokul. जिंदगी का सबसे सुखद एहसास, ठाकुर जी की असीम कृपा, और इसी में बागवान का प्यार है छिपा। The beautiful Gokul. November 2, 2020.